Next one up, Honda CB1000R. This is a rather filthy one to say the least. Just removed the belly pan to get to the exhaust. Got quite a bit of build-up. Luckily, it's got new chain and sprockets on it. We'll get all this shit from here off. Get those exhausts all minted up. They are looking awful. Banjo bolts rusty. Just needs that bit of trot TLC. Get these discs all cleaned up. Probably have to paint these wheels once we've cleaned them. But, we've got Jason in the house today, so time to teach him how to clean a minger. Get all that swing arm sorted out. Let's get cracking. There you go. I would say this was about 3 and a bit hours. Honda CB1000R. This belongs to a local dealer. She was in a right state. We removed that belly pan, got all that exhaust up pretty clean. I had my trainee helping me on this one, Jason. We had to paint that rear wheel. It was all corroded, all the back of the swing arm down there. We dusted with a bit of satin black. All the chains been re-lubed. Luckily that was a new chain and sprockets on there, but it had a lot of buildup of grease and chain lube. All that's been removed. All the motor's been XCP'd. We did a 2-stage machine polish on this bodywork to remove a few blemishes. Look at the gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. Yeah, all that exhaust is polished up, XCP'd, all polished, ready to hit the showroom. Just needs that seat recovering. It's got a little chip in that. So yeah, all done. 3 and a bit hours. Time to roll on to the next.